What up? Oh, what do we got going on? Boom. I got to set this up. Just getting it going. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. I feel like I either caught the bottom of the day or I did not. One of the two have happened. I either caught the bottom of the day or it is not the bottom of the day. I grabbed a small position and my stop is at 35. I want to see a close. Honestly, I want to see a close above 59. So see where we're in here. Need to get out of actually 63. That is not, you do not want to see a close here. You want to see it get out of 63 is what you really want. Yo, what up, Hid? That's why I took the trade. Basically, we traded back into this breaker. I'm in. I'm holding. As long as we close in or above, I'll be in. That's why I'm in it, and we'll see what happens. If it drops out of here, I'm out. And I mean, it would probably go all the way down. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Morning disciplined. Oh, dude, this thing's just dumping. What's crazy is NVIDIA earnings are today. You would assume that with NVIDIA earnings, we would be running into I thought we were going to grind. Honestly, my bias before the market was we were going to grind up all day into earnings. This is getting I'm out. I'm just going to let it sit until I see a confirmed bottom. Just keeps grinding. What up, Vince? What up? What up? I want to see a flush. I want to see the opposite of this. I want to see a flush down and then us get picked back up. That will confirm the bottom for me, probably. Like if you inverted this, so what I'm looking for to be the bottom, something like this, where we dump and then and then it comes back up. You get a lower high. That's where I would probably say I'm going to buy, and I'll stop out low a day. We haven't gotten the we haven't really gotten the flush. Oh, 100K a week. Woo! What's up, Smokey? You smoking poles today? Oh, the chop is real. It's just grinding lower. What up, Dell? Who dares to take micros and just hold all day to the downside? Oh, Smokey was in here. The guy makes so much money, but yet comes on freaking a gazillion channels all day. Post fake Topstep P&Ls. Yeah. I am 100% playing NVIDIA earnings after hours. That I could tell you. That is something I could definitely tell you. NVIDIA earnings, all over it. Dude, it was crazy how they ripped it out the gate to just dump it. Like they just ripped it. What is that? 80 points? 80 points out of the gate to just literally unload it right back down. Oh, yeah, Dell. I actually caught it long and got out towards the top. And then I was like, dude, I thought we were going to keep going on the pullback. That's cool. Maybe you could fix that trash garage you got, bro. Guy wastes all his time to post in here. Oh, off to another account. Yo, he's got fucking 100 of them, bro. He's obsessed with dudes. That guy's obsessed with dudes. Watch, he'll come in with another one. If he comes in with another one, it shows you how obsessed with dudes he is. Go. Just come on. He's just so obsessed. He just can't get it out. It's crazy. Dude, definitely ate. Yo, end the cookies. Yo, no one sees him. He's a nobody. So tomorrow we got, wait, dude, I don't even know what fucking day it is. Tomorrow we got GDP, we got jobless claims. There's a bunch of shit tomorrow. Oh, we got PCE on Friday. Dude, oh, you got FOMC minutes today. I don't know if that's not really gonna move it. You got FOMC minutes at 2 o'clock, and then you got a bunch of news tomorrow. Yeah. Man, look how wiki this is. Super freaking wiki. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to grab a long down here. Let it come down to me. Bro, desperate. So desperate. So funny. I was wondering what was down today. Oscar Health is down today. Oscar Health is down today. I wonder why Hims is down today. Yo, what up, Alfred? Just watching us grind down. I thought we were going to be up in the video end of the day. I have a feeling they run it into close or run it in the afternoon. It's probably what we're going to see. Bro, anybody buy that Weeble yesterday? I threw it in the Discord at like 260. Dude, Weeble yesterday, I threw it in Discord at like 260. Went as high as 1422 today. From 12C. That's almost, dude. What was that? 15% in a day? Bro, the game was pretty good. The game was pretty good. I posted the video of the home run and stuff. What would have made the game better is if the Knicks won. Fucking Knicks are done. Down 3-1. Ugh, bro. Pacers in 5? I hope not. I hope they make it a little interesting for me. I want a little interesting. I think it all stemmed from that game 1 when the Knicks couldn't when the Knicks just couldn't freaking, they just blew it. Game 1, they were up a ton with like 3 minutes left and just absolutely choked. And that kind of set the whole thing, because they would never have gone down 2-0. And then when they won game 3, instead of being down 2-1, they would have been up 2-1. Yo, what's the over under on how many accounts, how bored he is, that how many accounts that somebody makes? But I think that's what set the whole thing up. Knob, you going long? I want to see a little flush before I go long. I want to see a quick flush and then I grab. Come on. Flush it out, baby. Flush it 40 points. I'll take a 40-point flush. Come on. Yeah, Murray. It's the slow. It's just a slow grind. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, just unload it already. Like, it's just so. Yo, imagine making new YouTube fucking names sitting there for 5 minutes waiting. Such a loser. The diaper is heavy. Who's in short with just riding this grind down? I am oh my God. I'll tell you what, a close over the 34, I'd probably take it long with a stop at low a day. That's one thing I'm watching. Yo, what up, Waldo? How's your day been so far? What were you looking at? Like 388 BK? Oh, yeah. I'm gonna take this long with a stop at low a day, possibly, if we break here. Yo, it's so funny. I just couldn't imagine having the time to do it. Oh, I didn't even grab this in the right fucking account. I didn't even grab it in the right account. This is an eval. I didn't even mean to buy anything in here. I actually meant to grab it in a funded account. Actually saved me a couple bucks. I want to see a 34 close over the 34 or a flush down. Yo, you got NVIDIA earnings today. You got this order block sitting down here between 21 and 407. Dude, I'm going to slam NVIDIA. Slam it. Last time I played NVIDIA, I played it in a pro account, and I pulled out like $2,100 that day from Take Profit Trader. So I feel pretty good about it, only because of what happened last time. Obviously, that doesn't mean it's going to happen this time. Yo! Dude, remember Roy Rogers? Yo, they're not around by you, right? I think Roy Rogers is done by me. I haven't seen one in a while. I haven't seen one in a real long time, actually. Ugh. Yo, your bottom finder is super green right now. ES keeps making new lows. I think we're going to go into this area. Crispiest chicken you ever had was there? Dude, there was this place. I forget the name of it. It was like a mom and pop chicken place, and they sold chicken wings in the bucket. Bro, I don't know what they put in there, but these wings were like so crispy that when you would eat them, the bone would break sometimes. And they were like salty at the same time with like a slight garlic barbecue seasoning. I'm just waiting for a move. I think you're going to get it. It's going to come down, and then it's going to tweezer bottom back up. I mean, NVIDIA has been so good. I can't see the earnings being bad. They're like fucking backlogged. All the chips are backlogged. Trump just undid that thing with the Trump just undid the thing. No, Dell, not even a little bit. Oh, actually, they blocked your comment. Yo, they blocked your comment. But no, definitely not that type of chicken. You hit the old loss. Am I even in one? I'm done. I'm up 210 on this funded account, and I'm up 430 on this funded account. I'm done for the day in my funded futures. Actually, should just turn. I'm not gonna turn it off. Yo, Roy Rogers just cut the top of your mouth up. Yeah, I remember there was one by me. I remember when I was playing baseball in college, we would stop at this. So on, Knob probably knows this. On not the turnpike. Yeah, on the turnpike on 95, there's a rest stop that had Roy Rogers at it in Jersey, and we would stop there and we would get Roy Rogers. They had like that was one of the stops that we would do on the way back from games. Yeah, fucking Roy Rogers, man. I can still picture the rest stop. What up, Fred? I actually stopped there a couple times coming back from or going to Atlantic City. Yeah, it was probably 8A. I feel like it's 8A. I would stop at that one and the one that has Starbucks, which is like I think 11 has Starbucks. There's no momentum, man. There's zero momentum. Yo, what's up, Nao? Good morning. Woo! Coach Fred getting the payouts. Get them payouts. The one thing I will say about Bulenox is they force you to take at least $1,500 in a 50K. So your payouts are at least pretty good. Well, yesterday and today has been pretty awful. I'm looking to take it long personally. I actually made money in my other cash account too. The one I got a payout out of this one. I did 375 in that today, which is nice. What up, Mama Tick? Oh, Max? I didn't know that. I took dude, I don't know why. I think they sent me no. Yeah, I forget what they sent me. Maybe it was 1455 they sent me. Gotta risk it for the biscuit. See what happens. Now, do I take profits or do I be a greedy fuck here? What do I do? Take profits, greedy fuck. What should I do? Who took this trade, by the way, anyways? Anyone take this? I always take it. Yo, if you're in, move your stop up to break even. I don't want to hear that you lost money. I don't want to hear anyone lost money on this. You can go to break even. You could take a partial out. Come on. Come on down. I'm going to take a partial right here at 76. Just got liquidated? Oh, come on, baby. I want to see it come up here, and then I'm going to move my stop to like 62 or something like that. They're not going to ban you. If this world wasn't so PC, they would give you a DGen award. Yo, what up, Geronimo? Come on. I am going to move my stop up to here. You're in a short? Oh, jeez. I've heard about it, Keith. I think NVIDIA is going to be NVIDIA is just starting out, I feel like. I feel like NVIDIA is so far past everybody. I'm so glad I didn't take my $200 when I was up. So happy. So happy I didn't take my $200. Yeah, I think NVIDIA has got a long, long runway, man. That thing's got. They're using the chips for all the AI stuff. They're doing so much with it. It's kind of like, how are you not bullish on NVIDIA if you think any of this is going to play out? Like the Tesla robots, just any of it. It's all driven off their chips. It's them, Taiwan Semiconductors. Damn, Webull is at 1382. Ho, ho, ho. Webull, baby. Let's see what NVIDIA's at. NVIDIA is actually basically even on the day. All right, so they have earnings after hours. Oh, man. Keith, are you long on this? Man, this grind action is brutal. I almost want to add if we go back above 62. You're long? Fuck it. I'm holding. I can't believe I was up 200 and something dollars and didn't fucking take it. I was up 200 bucks and just didn't fucking pull the trigger. How do you not pull the trigger? I'm targeting right up here is what I'm looking for. What is that, 85? Yo, you know what's funny, Code? Is when I do take my profits, it then runs fucking 80 points. So the one time, like, yeah, I'm not going to take my profits. If I take my profits, it runs. If I don't take profits, God, you just can't win. You just can't win. Yo, they're watching. Yo, the sim market makers want to take me out, Knob. They're watching. 100% they're watching. You know, I feel like the move is higher. We're starting to get further into the day. Obviously, NVIDIA earnings are after hours, and I kind of feel like there's going to be buying into the earnings. Sean taking everybody's money, everybody's points. Come on, baby. I bought 3 down here at like 42. I have no problem getting rid of that 3 up here. Yeah, Code. I agree. I was thinking about selling puts, Ed. Like $10 out of the money puts. Last time Nvidia had earnings, let's see what happened. Oh, I think it like popped, dropped, and stayed still. How's that sound? Last time Nvidia had earnings, we opened up a little bit up and then dropped. Actually, then proceeded to drop for a bunch of days. That could have been just market related. But we're actually almost at the same price as we were last earnings, which kind of worries me. You know, I don't like that we're at the same place. I also feel I may not play it, Ed. They're earning. I'm looking at the options right now. They're not as juiced as I would want. Like I would want like 124s to be like $1.80, and they're not. That's what I was looking for. Like $1.80, $10 out, would be like what I'd be looking for. Is this thing gonna pop? Come on. Well, we're waiting. Oh, come on. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it. The sim market makers are watching me. Come on. Are you not going to give me 55, 57? What is going on? Oh, how's everybody doing today? Anybody looking to play in? There we go. Just looking to add a couple on accounts. I didn't realize I bought 6. Yo, what up, Xanax? What's cracking? I'm trying to make some money here, Noel. It's been real choppy. Even when we're moving, you can see the candles are very up, down, up, down. A lot of wicks. A lot of wicks going on up in this place. Oh, I was trying to add. Come on. I'm in way too heavy, to be honest with you. I was in 6. Do I take my money this time, guys? Do I take my 200 bucks? What do I do? What do I do? Take it or not? In the chat. Take it or not? Take it or not? What do I do? Take it. Oh, I mean, we're down. I took 3. All right, I took it off. I took it off. Now it can run. Now it can run for all of you guys. I took it off. Look at this shit. Fuck. Yo, why did I close? I'm such a loser, DBT. You guys told me to close. I wonder if we caught the bottom. I'm not. I bet you I caught the bottom today, right here. This is probably the fucking bottom, and I'm not gonna. I just keep seeing it going up. Why? Yo, I feel like, what is that movie, that reel with the guys in the astronaut suit? And it's Matthew McConaughey. He's like, why? And he's just banging on the fucking window. Yo, if we get a dip, I'll get back in. Motherfuck. Bro, that's another 200 bucks. Marie's holding. Marie's up 100 bucks. I feel like we caught the bottom. It feels that way. Dude, I was looking. I thought it was going to reject again right at this red. You know, it's following the 21 on the 5 and maybe come back down and then back where I can buy again. What up, Mara? It just didn't happen that way. I tried my best. I tried my best. Get Audi. It's a good fucking trade. It's a real good trade. It looks so much like it looks like we traveled a bigger distance. It's only up like 30 points. If we dip here, I'm going to get back in. If we dip, I'm getting back in. Come on down, baby. Yo, you know what will probably rip today, Sean? MOC is probably going to rip because everyone's getting positioned for NVIDIA earnings. I would look at MOC to rip. Yeah, MOC is probably going to rip today. You got a buy order at 454. For you voice guys, it's open. Yo, what up, Lord? I didn't even know you were in here. Oh. I'll take a little shot here. One shot, one opportunity right here. Come on, baby. Bounce it. Keith, you're a voice guy? I got a tight stop. It's got to hold right here. You're long until the end of the day, Keith? Where's your, do you have a stop in? Or is it just wherever? Is your stop just wherever? I was going to take my $50, but I got high. Do, 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 do. However that fucking song goes. But I got high. Do, do. Yo, this is going to be a free trade right here. Free trade. All right, I got stopped. Free trade. Yo, what up, Jaden? Oh. Yo, NVIDIA just went green. NVIDIA just went green. Yo, the juice. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. The juice on Bull, it's Webull options is so fucking high right now. It's so high. Boom. I'm going to take another shot here. One shot, one opportunity. I'll stop right below here. Yo, what up, Larry? How you doing? You having a good day? Beautiful day? I'm trying to scalp some of these accounts back to green. Dude, I told you guys about Webull. It was 1260 yesterday. It's freaking 1410 today. Oh, baby. I did not see that coming. Yo, I just got my insurance card for my new Jeep that's coming. Looks like every up today is a good day. Yo, I have a feeling, Baba, that this whole market's going to get shit on soon. Just throwing it out there. It feels like it's just going to take one big giant dump on soon. I think as we get closer to that Chinese deadline, and nothing happens, you're going to start seeing some type of major pullback. Yeah, I think you're going to see some type of major pullback happen. I think you probably got a couple weeks into it still, but that's what I'd be looking at if I was looking to invest. The next, like 3 weeks from now, 4 weeks from now is going to be interesting. Yo, you know what I realized? I bought Webull shares in my. I'm going to sell calls against that shit right now for this week because they're fucking juiced. They are juiced to the gills. Trade options. Covered calls. We about to sell. I saw 15s. I'll sell 15s, collect 200, 120 bucks. Boom. I'm in. I'm in. Dude, what up, Jim Blab? What up, Paul? Dude, how do you duel people? Can I duel somebody? Do I got to choose who to duel? Oh, you got to duel people like that? Yo, I might go heavy on NVIDIA earnings, just an FYI. Do not judge me for being a complete degen on NVIDIA earnings. It's either going to be really good or really bad. Rumens, having a great day. Awesome. What do you just ride it short? Are you up money or is it just a nice day out where you are? Pull your Schwartz out. Yo, there's a trader named something Schwartz. I almost went on his live stream and just said, "May the Schwartz be with you," and then just left. I was gonna do it, but I was like, "Oh, I'm not gonna do it." It's just a nice day out. That's awesome. I like good days. Man, this is some fucking chop, baby. What's up, Desmond? What's up? What's up? Oh, how have you been, man? Dude, there's no momentum either way. Push it one way. Trying to pass a My Funded Futures account, bro, it's hard because you can only go in 3 minis and we're not really moving around that much. Like, you're going to need some movement. You're going to need some serious movement to pass one of those accounts. And we're literally at the same place we've been since 1021. Well, I'm glad I got out. I'm glad I sold here. Now I'm glad. I wasn't glad when we popped further, but dude, it's just sideways. Sideways action. I mean, I could take sideways action, but it's like action within 20-point range. They're bringing it up. Bring it up. Yeah, 2 p.m. Bro, Sean, you know how many times that happens? I jump off and I'm like, the stream sucked. We didn't go anywhere. And then all of a sudden, we just start ripping. And I'm like, can't do anything about it. Simone, what's up? Yeah, I don't know. They just moving it during just moving it. Moving it a lot during what do you call it? Lunchtime. I think the minutes, like Alfred said, I think the minutes are going to get it moving today. And then I think you're going to get a move towards the end of the day with NVIDIA earnings, probably the last like 20 minutes. I would be looking at that. Yeah, 2% move. Market don't go sideways because I need cash now. Just trying to get a little bit of, just a little bit. Like 50 Cent said, just a little bit. Yo, you know what I heard none of? The Diddy trial. Diddy trial. Dude, I've heard none of the Diddy trial updates. Oh, baby. Yeah, well, I thought once we got over 500 that we wouldn't go below. I thought it was going to hold. It did not. Dude, it's crazy. Nothing's really going on. Dude, I mean, they're talking about Kid Cudi's car. Like, who cares, man? Bro, it's really not as good as I thought. The Johnny Depp one was good. Also, the Johnny Depp one had was being recorded live. So you could see when she had to come out and say that she took a shit on his bed. Hey man, will Apex 90% off coupon be valid tomorrow as well? I do not think so. Let me see. No. No. Now that you brought it up, yo, you got 12 hours for 90% off. Just remember, here's a tidbit though. They rebill at a higher amount. So basically, buy it at 90. If you pass it, great, you pass it, right? If you don't pass it, make sure to cancel it because it's going to rebill at a higher amount. And when she did coke on this stand, yeah, Amber Turd, yo. But yeah, Apex is done. Apex is done tonight. You already canceled 5? Yeah. I'm about to load the. Actually, I'm going to back the truck up. You're going to hear beep, beep, beep as I'm getting ready for NVIDIA earnings today. I'll be honest with you, though, Simone. It's cost of funding. So basically, 5 times 16 is, let's see, 5 times 16, get an exact number for you. 5 times 16 is $80 plus 140. So you're getting a funded account for 220. That's better than buying straight to funded. Yo, they can never rebill you. Yo, you're like the John Cena. Yo, they can't see me. Yeah. multiply by 10, then divide by 2, carry the 1. Dude, you just took too much math. I'm just mathing out on that. Dude, we've gone nowhere. Maybe we'll just tell a dad jokes until the stream ends. Actually, I told the dad joke and you guys didn't like it. You said it was too raunchy of a dad joke. You can't bill me. My time is up. Oh, my dad joke that I told last time? Oh man. Let's see. I forget what it was. I did it and everyone complained about it. Let's see if I could find one. Oh, jeez. You want a dad joke? Ready? What did the elephant ask the naked man? How do you breathe out of that thing? There you go. Yeah. Hey, you guys asked for it. Small trunk problems. Yo. Hey, yo. Yeah. Man, this chop is real. His Royal Trades. Yo, I actually have that. Hold on one second. Let's see. Is it this one or the other one? Oh, man. Yo, what up, Pozo? I think I answered your trade in Discord. You asked me something. I think I answered you. I wasn't sure if you saw it. Jeez. No, I got a really good one. I can't even put this in fucking. I can't even say this one. This one's awesome though. I don't want to get canceled. Yo, the chop. I mean, this is an easy chop to just get canceled. Not canceled in. To get yo-yoed in. I mean, we've gone nowhere for the last hour and 30 minutes. Don't get canceled. I know. I'll say it on voice one night when we're in the Discord hanging out. See, I honestly thought that we found the bottom, but I wanted us to trade into this order block. This was my original target, was right in here. And we have yet to go there. I would love to see them sweep this bottom, sweep that, come into here, and then bounce up. That would probably be the play of the day for me. You also look like this is the trend right here. You know, the trend line, I should say. You're getting lower highs. You might break this and then sweep all in one, come down here, and then bounce. Is Trump talking today? No. Vance is speaking at a Bitcoin conference. With Donald Jr., I believe. Nothing much. There's a bunch of Fed surveys that are out. Russia expects a response from Ukraine ASAP to meet in coming days. Russia has offered Ukraine an exact date and venue for second round of discussions in the coming days to exchange memorandums on peace settlement. Yeah, I'll tell you what, if that Russia thing settles up, you'll definitely get something in the market. Yeah. See what happens. That's kind of what I'm looking for, though, is a breakthrough here, trade in here, and then up. So it looks something like this. Then you might hit this. You might reject a little bit, and then I want to see it travel through, probably come in here, get rejected a little bit, and then go up. This is what I would love to see out of today. You can see on the higher time frames, the head and shoulders played out. Shoulder, head behind where I'm at. Let's see. Hold on one second. Head, shoulder, head, shoulder, broke. We popped. We came back down. We consolidated, and then we popped. I want to say as long as we hold probably 400, 409, this 4-hour candle, probably continue north. That's on the higher time frame. If you look at the hourly, you came out of this order block on the hourly. You broke the 50% retracement of this hour candle, which is at 56. I don't know. Maybe we go up here. I might take a shot long here. I'm only doing it in eval. If I buy, I might buy very small size right here with a my fundeds. What up, Vivo? No way. What happened? No way. Oh, you lost 1,000 points? Oh. Bro. Gotta watch the gambling, man. You're losing points, 4K. At least you only need 10 points, though. So at least you're still in it to win it. Only need 10 points. You want me to battle? Okay, I'll battle you for 1,000. All right, set it up. How do I do it? I'll battle you for 1,000. How do I do it? We might get that sweep I was talking about. I just wasn't fucking patient. Look at that. Man, that looks fucking... See, this is the problem with playing multiple accounts. I'm going to take it. It's not even that far is the problem. Like, the break to here is 20 points. It's 20 points. Go, Vivo. You're going to steal my 1,000 points, I feel like. Last time it popped. I mean, it's doing this. If you look, it broke. It broke the trend line. Oh, I didn't mean to just draw that. It just broke the trend line. I want to see it get down to 416. Yo, I hit the accept thing. This is the overall picture that I want, though. I want to see it come into this block. It's just such a waiting game. You're out. There's no... The problem is you don't really have much follow-through. You know, normally you'd get a push here that would send it... The bare minimum, your target would be this low. and you're not getting the push at all. There's no follow through. Otherwise, that's a solid setup to the downside, and it just invalidated it, basically. Well, I mean, there's not much of a setup here, guys. I mean, we're just fucking chopping. We have FOMC minutes at 2. We have FOMC minutes at 2. Oh, geez. We have NVIDIA earnings after hours. I am going to smash NVIDIA earnings today. We have that. I feel like MOC is going to move around too because earnings are after hours. I was in and then I was out. Yeah. I'm going to go grab some lunch. If you guys want to support the stream, use the code below. I got to go eat. We're not really doing anything. Honestly, I drew out what I would like to see happen. The biggest problem is we broke the trend here and we got no follow through on this candle. So I don't know if we're even going to get down there. Yeah, CT. When we get chopped like this, I usually go to the 5 minute and I'll start looking at the 5. I won't go any further. This is what I'd like to see. We'll see what happens. They just bounced it off the bottom of the initial balance. And I'm just going to sit and wait. You know what I'm saying? I'll be back at 2 p.m. We'll do an account giveaway. We'll hang out. FOMC minutes will drop then. Madhan. Yeah, I'll show you, man. I got you. By the way, if you're new on here, ask questions. That's what this is about. I use order blocks and breaker blocks by Lux Algo. Pozo, that's nice. Yeah, I use this one, man. Order blocks and breaker blocks. Lux Algo. There is no link. You just go on, TradingView. Yeah, I got you. Yo, what up, Newts? I'm about to jump off. I got to go eat. I got to go eat so I can come back. All right, go get some lunch. I will see you guys at 2 p.m. Peace.